free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer, but that's just all of fantasy. I've got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through the door. 'Cause tonight is tonight, but I'm feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. I'm saving all my love, baby. I'm saving all my love for you. No other woman is gonna love you more. 'Cause tonight is the night that I'm feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through you. So I'm saving all my love. I'm saving all my love, baby. I'm saving all my love for you. For you. For you. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Napaka-sweet girl naman ni Jeannie. Kaya naman hindi mataas yung boses eh. Anyways, time check tayo sa 10:32 PM dito sa ating concert here in Casa de Musica. Sa mga performers natin, kindly open your mic sa mga gustong mag-promote. Siyempre sa ating founder, of course, Mr. Scar. Andyan ka po ba? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes
Go ahead
po.
po.
Ayan, game. Yeah! Oh! Ang kantang to ay tungkol sa dalawang nagmamahalan. Kaya sa mga gusto magmahalan dyan, huwag kayong matakot. Sa hindi inaasahang pagtatagpo ng bawat mundo, may minsan lang na nagtugto, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Ha! Hindi pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubunyagan ang iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta, ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyo na kulang? Ngayong umaasang hilag at kanluran, ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kanlungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. Saan nga ba patungo na kaya pa Ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa hinin ng pising mo, pati pa sabihin ang hindi mo maamin. Ipauupa dyan lang bato sa hangin, huwag mong ikatakot ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyo na kulang ngayong mubaasang hilag at kaluran? Ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kalungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. Maraming salamat po.
A round of applause from Mr. Scar. And first and foremost, syempre, I would like to promote Cultura Studios. If you ever want to have a concert for your events, you can hire us siguro. Since, ayun, si Mr. Scar, sabi ko po sana is kindly your channels, Discords, YouTube, if ever, Mr. Scar. Hello, hello? Diyan po siya.
Hello,
Hello po.
hello everyone. Kami nga pala po ang Kultura and ako po si Scar. If you want to follow us, I'm going to drop my Facebook account dito sa profile ko and also my Discord and other stuffs para you can follow our music whenever you want to. Ayan, and para makaka-catch up na rin kayo for our future gigs and events. Ayan. Maraming salamat po for appreciating us, Kultura, to be part of your wonderful 7th monthsary celebration. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ayan.
Sorry po, may nag-play na music. And thank you for promoting us and giving us the opportunity to perform here in Casa de Musica. Yes, Miss L. Hello.
Hello po.
Ayan. Baka meron din po kayo mga gusto i-promote, Miss L.
Sa mga inquiries po, nag-PM po sa akin na ano na lang, regarding po dun sa mga inquiries nila for Kultura, PM na lang po kayo, then we will talk po after with Scar. Ayun po. And thank you so much once again, Ms. Lantana and Hampton, for celebrating your monthly here with us at Casa de Musica, ang bahay po ng Kultura Music Org. Ayun po. Maraming salamat. Please join everyone and follow WR. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Sa lahat po na nag-stay dito po, 12-14, sila Hamper, Lady Jelan, Sayday, Ocean, Soul and Family, Dreamer, Angelica. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sino pa ba? Si Hunt, si Rosana, si Boy Taken, si Hayden or Hayden. Ayun, maraming salamat po.
Ayan.
Thank you, Miss L. Thank you also, Miss L. Yes, Mr. Scott.
And for those ones na who wants to hire or book us for your future events po, just message Miss Ali. Ayan. Siya po ang aming events handler. So, ayan, para para makapag-work tayo with each other in the future. Ayan. Thank you so much po ulit sa pagpunta. Ayan. Enjoy pa po kayo, hindi pa po tayo tapos.
And
Thank you,
by
Mr.
the-
Scar, and
By
go ahead
the
po.
way pala,
Yes, po.
we're going
Go
to
ahead
have our
po.
grand opening sa VR natin this coming Friday here at Casa Musica. Still with the Kultura Music Hall po, headed by Mr. Scar, si Kuya Scar. Ayan. It will be this at the same time, 8 to 11 p.m. Philippine time po. Kita-kits po tayo dito. The links will be disseminated po and the invitations will be disseminated at your families po, yung mga owner po sa families natin. May mga formal letters po akong pinapadala. Maraming salamat po and hope to see you here again. Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you once again, Miss L, for this opportunity. And hindi pa nga po tayo tapos sa ating mga tagapakinig dito sa ating Casa de Musica featuring Kultura, the House of Lions. And for our next performer, Miss Cream, whenever you're ready, the mic and stage is all yours. Let's go!
Ayan, let's go! Ayan, so itong kantang to guys, para to sa mga pinili araw. Araw. Umaga na sa ating duyan, huwag nang mawawala. Umaga na sa ating duyan, magmamahal o mahiwagan. Matang magkakilala sa unang pagtagpo, paano dahan-dahan sinuyo ang puso, kahit tagal ko nang nag-iisa, andyan ka lang pala. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Higit pa sa ligayang hatid sa damdamin, lahat na unawaan. Salamat.
Ayan, so let's just wait for Cream kasi she's having a technical difficulties. 1 minute lang po yun. So, ayan just sit back, relax, and have fun.
Yes po.
And hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong isang.
Sorry for the technical difficulty, and thank you for sa pagsalo ng mic, Mr. Scar. 1 minute lang po, and I would like to promote once again, we will be having our virtual opening here in Casa de Musica, according to Miss L, May 10, 8 p.m. onwards. To check the events out here in Casa de Musica, featuring Kultura, and yes po. Okay. So, sorry for the technical difficulty. Tatapusin po ni Cream ang kanyang song.
Ayan, hello po.
Ayan po. Welcome back, Miss Cream. So, whenever you're ready, again,
Ulit po, good morning.
good morning.
Ayan, tutuloy ko na lang po ulit. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga, ang nadarama sa'yo'y malinaw. Sa minsang pagbali ng hangin, hinila patungo sa akin. Tanging ika'y ibigin, wagas at buo. Payapa sa yakap ng iyong hiwaga. Oh, payapa sa yakap ng iyong And once again, I want to say congratulations sa ating nag-monthly today. Si Miss Lantana at si Sir Hunter. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga, ang nadarama sa'yo'y malinaw. Mahiwaga, huwag nang mawala sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Ayan, once again, thank you po. And sorry po, biglang yun. Anyways, ayan, back to you.
Ayan. Thank you for catching up and good morning ulit, Miss Cream. And thank you for passing the mic. Time check is 10:48 p.m. or sa buong Pilipinas. I hope you're having fun and stay tuned in our 7-month series of Lantana and Mr. Hunter. For our next performer for tonight, let us all welcome Mr. Milk. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Milk, the mic and stage is all yours. Let's go.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. M, for passing the mic to me. So, ayan, magandang gabi ulit. Once again, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo and I think satisfied kayo sa aming performance for this evening. So, let's go for our next performance, which is called Southboard Medley.
Love of my life, destined forever. I will be right here by your side. No falling tears when we're together. You know the joy you bring to me, and tell me the world that we'll share as lovers, right from the heart, from my mind to your soul. I will give it to you, girl. My every little thing that I'm more than willing miss you more. Loving you is all that I can do. Yeah, no one can take it away from me. Nobody. Yeah. No. Falling down, falling in. Nothing sure in this world. No. Breaking out, breaking in. Never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it. Oh. No. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never can understand why some things begin then just end. We can really never tell it all. No, cause can't you see, baby? That no matter what happens, life goes on and on. It's so, oh baby, and just smile, cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that were sent to say for me and you. Can't you feel me? And this is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns still, we'll say nights and day. Can't you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain, yeah. Life's full of challenges, not all the time we get what we want. But don't despair, my dear. We'll take it trial and you'll make it to the storm. Cause you're strong, my baby, and you is clear. So I say once again, this world's wonderful. Let us celebrate life that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Listen to the birds that were sent to symphony. You can't you feel me? And this is such a wonderful place to be. Yeah. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns down daylight and time. Can't you feel me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. There's a rainbow always after the rain. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that powerful performance. Grabe nga yung mga...
Oo.
Di wala na akong masabi, baby.
Kaya nga,
Anyways, thank you for showing your talent. Yes, Michelle.
Akala ko nasa TNT
Akala ko nga rin po
tayo
Akala ko nasa contest
Ano
pa
ba
tayo.
yan?
Akala,
Masyadong
concert lang po pala.
ginagalingan. Batang may laban talaga to. bang
Thank you, thank you.
iniinom mo, milk?
Milk po yata. Or water. Check. Ano daw pong iniinom ni Mr. Milk?
Ay, sinasabi si Scar. Ano po yun, Scar?
Ano po yan, Scar?
Hindi, si Milk
Hindi
po
po narinig.
Si Milk po,
Ay, si Milk po ba? Magkaboses
Ay,
kasi kayo. Awit.
lang.
Kaya magkaboses din sila eh. Mabili nga ako ng milk na ganyan. Para
Hindi ko kailangan
magkakaroon
ng
din
ano.
ako ng mga ganyan.
Milk po pala ang sagot na Miss L.
Kaya nga eh. Milk na 150.
Anyways, highways, segways. Thank you for our lovely performances. Siyempre, Mr. Scar, Milk, Cream, and Sheeny. Ang ating, ano yung sinabi ni Mr. Scar sa DC? Huwag na natin sabihin. Anyways, it's almost past time in our performances here in Casa de Musica for this evening. And Miss Sheeny, for our melody song bang iyong aawitin? Nandyan ka ba, Miss Sheeny? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes po.
Ayan,
Madrid.
for your, whenever you're ready, Miss Sheeny, the mic is yours.
Yes, and guys, this is the song by Ariana Grande. And nagbe-play. Sipping the two of us, already knows us. Riding in a car like skirt. Staying up all night, order me pad thai, then we would sleep till noon. Me with no makeup, you in the bed tub, bubbles and bubbly. Ooh, this is a pleasure, feel like we never act this regular. Click, 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 and pose. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go. Kiss me and take off your clothes. Imagine a world like that. Imagine a world like that. We go like up till I'm slip on your chest. Love how my face fits so good in your neck. Why can't you imagine a world like that? Some days things just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. You take the cares away. I get so overcomplicate. People tell me to medicate. Feel my blood running. Swear the sky's falling. I don't know, this just fabricated. Oh, time goes by and I can't control my mind. Don't know to try, but you tell me every time. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. And all gonna kill, I keep on breathing. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. And all gonna give, I keep on breathing. Oh, oh, oh. My air, my air, my air, my air. Oh, my air, my air, yeah, yeah. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing. So one last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. One more time, I promise after that I'll let you go. Baby, I don't care if you get hurt in your heart. All I really care is you wake up in my arms. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. Yeah, I know I should have thought it, but listen, being honest, yeah. No, just stay with me a minute. I swear I'll make it worth it, babe. 'Cause I don't wanna be without you. So endless, the one who takes you home. I won't know, baby. After that, I'll let you go. Baby, I don't care if you can have in your heart, baby. No. I need to be the one who takes you home. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. Thank you so much for what you liked it.
Thank you again for your performance, Miss Chini, and maraming salamat sa mga nakisama, nagstay sa ating concert for tonight here in Casa de Musica. I'm your host, Em, ang inyong Loki Cutie Amzi wannabe ng Quezon City, of course. And for Kultura's booking, kindly DM Miss L, our event handler. And for further details on our channels, you can kindly DM Mr. Scar. And ayun, I hope you're having a good time, and time check is 11:00 p.m. in the evening. Miss L, yan po, go ahead.
Ayun po. Thank you so much once again. And I think si Miss Lantana, she wants to extend her, ano po, parang akit po ata si Miss Lantana at saka sino yun? Si Miss Mag.
Mr. Hunter po, Miss L. I'm Mr. Hunter, Miss...
Ba't ako palipat-lipat?
Ina-unlock niyo po yata, ayan po. Ayan po.
Yung couple natin.
Yung couple po natin, Mr. Hunter and Miss Lantana, kindly take up in the slot po. Up in po. Diyan po ba sila?
Ayan.
Ayan, yung Jeff Lantana Rock Hunter. Nagpapasalamat po kami dito sa Casa de Musica. Ayan, thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Ang gagaling nila. Marami po na-amaze sa mga boses ng mga talents nito. Ayan. Shoutout nga pala sa Job Family sa baba. Ayan. Thank you sa cooperation, guys. Shoutout kay Mildness, kay King. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Ayan si Mildness. Sinong idol mo? Ayan. Follow mo na. Ayan. Thank you po. Salamat po, Madam L. Thank you po.
Naku, wag na po, Madam. L na lang po. Ayan. Thank you din.
Thank you so much po for choosing us. Ayan. Sana po ay nagustuhan niyo yung performance. And sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Ayan.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. And once again, see you again, guys, sa May 10 po. Maraming salamat po. See you here again at Casa de Musica. Again. Ayan po. Sige. Ano na. Kakantahin ko lang yung request na tuwing umuulan. Si Chini kaya. Kaya mo yun, Chin? Iyak na eh. Iyak na eh. Sige, try ko lang. Sige, try ko lang. Maganon eh. Sige. Covers PH. May ganun eh.
Pumasdan ng ulan, unti-unting pumapatak sa mga halaman at mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ang dilim, unti-unting bumabago sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos sa iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ang hangin kumakanta. Maari bang huwag ka na, sa piling ko'y lumisan ka, hanggang ang hangit ulay tumila na. Buhos na ulan aking mundo'y lunurin tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyab. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting tumitila, ikaw di magpapaalam na. Maari bang minsan pa mahakan ka't maiduyan ka, sa tubig at ulan lamang ang saksi. Minsan pa ulan bumuhos ka, wag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo ba'y bagyo, dalangin ito ng puso ko. Sumasamo, pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, maari bang minsan pa makan ka't maiduyan ka, sa tubig at ulan lamang ang saksi. Buhos na ulan aking mundo'y lunurin tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso ko. Nagliliyab, pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, min ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, minsan pa ulan bumuhos ka, wag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalangin ito ng
pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Ayun, para po sa couple natin. Happy Mansari po ulit sa inyo. Ayun. Maraming salamat po. Uy, libre mag-unmute. Scar, Milk, nasaan na kayo mga anak ko? Sisa.
Hello. Ayan, hello po everyone. Ayan. Kanta pa ba? Kanta pa ba tayo?
Thank you so much, Miss Lantana. Sige, kayo.
Kaso lang,
Baka may gusto po ba?
may broken
Dyan.
songs na to natira sa akin.
Okay na yung mga jamming na tayo, Miss Miss Lantana. Okay.
Hello. Ayan, good evening po. Nagsanggal na ako sa setup tapos nag-rest muna for a bit and sorry.
Oo, pahinga naman.
Sige po.
Ayan, siguro ito na yung last song ko for tonight, for today.
Okay.
Ayan. Ayan, I just wanna say happy Mansari po. Ayaw sana namin matapos itong gabing ito, pero ayan, sana po magkita po tayo ulit sa mga susunod na mga events. Happy Mansari kay Miss Lantana and Mr. Hunter. Sana nag-enjoy po kayong lahat sa performance namin. Hindi masabi ang nararamdaman, di makalapit. Sadyang nanginginig na lang mga kamay na sakik sa piling mo. Ang iyong matang walang mintis sa pagtigil ng aking mundo. Ako'y alipin o pag-ibig mo. Sandang ibigin o tulan mo. Habang ang puso mo'y sa akin lang, hindi ka na malilinlang. Ikaw ang ilaw sa dilim at ang liwanag ng mga bituin. Yeah. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi mapakali hanggang tingin na lang bumubulong sa iyong tabi. At sadyang walang makapatay sa kaganda ang inuukit mo sa isip ko. Ako'y alipin ng pag-ibig mo. Yeah, handang ibigin o sa tulad mo. Habang ang puso mo'y sa akin lang, hindi ka na malilinlang. Ikaw ang ilaw sa dilim at ang liwanag ng mga chill. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa amin. Kami nga pala ang kultura.
matong liwanag ng mga bituin. Oh, happy Montseri, Miss Lantana, Mr. Hunter, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ako'y alipin na handang ibigin sa tulad mo. Habang ang puso mo'y sa akin lang, hindi ka na malilinlang. Ikaw pong ilaw sa dilim at ang liwanag ng mga bituin. Once again, kami nga pala ang Kultura. Maraming salamat sa pagpili sa amin. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Scar. Oo, nakahiga na ako din. Wala na po akong mic. And thank you for the opportunity ulit kay Miss L, sa Scar, Team Kultura, and sa lahat ng mga nakikinig. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I'm your host, M. Yes, Miss L, go ahead po. Kung kayo po ay awit, the mic is yours. Let's go.
Wala na po. Hindi na po ako kakanta.
Bonding na siguro tayo for the rest na tayo, guys.
Oo, bonding. Oo. Baka po may mga gustong umakyat dyan, makikijump po. Stay po tayo dito sa VR. Ayan.
Pwede na daw po mag-deactivate si Mr. Scar. Char.